Hello everyone, this is a 2004 Chevy Malibu. I did the turtle wax lens cleaning kit. I'm completely happy with it. If I rate this from 1 to 5, I would rate it as 3. Let me know if there's other products out there that are good. First time I tried this, quite sure there's other products out there that are better. I just got this turtle wax. Pretty much impressed with it. This used to be yellow, so there's 2 rubbing compound in there, plus 2 pads that are 4 different grit sizes. So extremely small though, so you're not getting a lot coverage there. Hit me up, let me know what you think.